Isaiah 41 verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. This verse reassures us of God's presence and His promise to strengthen and help us in times of fear and dismay. It reminds us that we are never alone and can rely on His righteous hand to support us. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all this through Him who gives me strength. This verse emphasizes that through Christ we have the strength to face any challenge. It encourages believers to draw on Jesus' power and know that nothing is insurmountable with His support. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. God is our safe haven and source of strength, always ready to help us in times of trouble. May you find comfort and reassurance, and know that you can turn to God, protection and support. Romans chapter 8 verse 28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. This verse encourages believers to trust in God's divine plan, knowing that He is working everything for our good. It reminds us that even in difficult circumstances, God still cares. God's purpose will ultimately prevail for those who love Him. Have I not commanded you, says the Lord? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. This verse commands us to be strong and courageous, assuring us that God is with us wherever we go. It is a powerful reminder to face life's challenges with confidence, knowing God is by your side, knowing God is by your side. Thank you for joining us on my prayer time. If you have benefited from this Bible verses and explanations and wish to see more of this kind of content, please remember to subscribe, share, and comment. God bless you.